So hello again, another video here from Tim. Today we're talking about more free high-end stuff. This stuff is really good, by the way. It's called OBS broadcast software. OBS Studio to be exact. You get it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Uh, it's available at obsproject.com. I'll put the link in the description below so you won't have to search for it. It works really well. There are a few things you have to install when you're done. The runtime, the Windows runtimes, at least for Windows before it'll run. And when you go to enter or do anything with it there, it will tell you you have to install those. So, all that being said, let's take a look at how the software looks. There goes my phone making noise. Isn't that wonderful? We're using my phone as the microphone, but that's okay. We'll live. So, what do we got here? As you can see, we're recording right now. You can see the microphone doing its thing. We're running at 25% CPU. We've been running a minute and 14 seconds. You got all kinds of settings on this thing. I'm not going to go through a complete tutorial on it. I just wanted to tell you about it because I think it's really good. It takes an excellent video. It has a lot of options, and there's a lot you can do with it. There are tons. All you have to do is look up OBS Studio tutorial on good old YouTube here. As a matter of fact, we'll just go to my home and go to history. And this one is from a few years ago, but I found it, and it's pretty good. It's from Tech Gumbo. I'm going to hit pause right here because I've already been there and seen it. Just look that title up right there on the screen. Obviously, when I'm done with this will all get edited on another piece of free software, which I've already talked about previously, and that's OpenShot, which is my video editor. I use it. It works well. It gets the job done. That's the whole point. This is going to be a pretty short video here, folks. There's just not a lot to say. I just wanted to point this one out. This is one of those things that's just worth getting, and so is good old OpenShot here, where you can have multiple tracks and fades and transitions, and there are tons and tons of tutorials on how to use this. I'll be using it in about 5 minutes here to edit this very video you're seeing. I'll process it. I'll put it out there as a 720, and we'll see how it comes out. So, all that being said, I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share this video, like this video, put it on your social media. And that is all I have for today.